This video is sponsored by KoruraClub. Halloween season is upon us, and in the words of Katie Heron from Mean Girls, in girl world, Halloween is the one night a year when a girl can dress like a total well, you know the rest. And I support that message, not just on Halloween, but every day of the year, especially as a nerd, especially as a cosplayer. And I think girls, women, and all people should feel confident in their bodies and dress the way they want to. Which is why I'm so excited to partner with KoruraClub, an anime-inspired lingerie company, to meet all of your Halloween needs, and they're very reasonably priced. They have cute and sexy bunny costumes, cats, devils, succubus, so much more, all so cute, and their sizes go up to 3XL. If you order now, you can use my discount code Leah20 to get 20% off your order, and you can order directly through the KoruraClub website or on Amazon. Some of the outfits are even available for Prime delivery. So the team over at KoruraClub sent me 6 adorable outfits. Wait until you see them. Not only are you getting the outfits, but all of the accessories too. It's not like one of those costume bags that shows you all of the cool accessories and then there's a big asterisk at the bottom that says sold separately. Not at KoruraClub, you get it all. These outfits do range from very cute to super sexy, so I will be unboxing all of the outfits, but when I actually put them on, I'm going to be wearing them in fully realized outfits to give you inspiration and ideas for styling all of these costumes. And I feel like this goes without saying, but I'm gonna say it. This video is for people that are interested in purchasing from the brand themselves. Anyone is welcome to watch, but I would prefer it if the comments are limited to people in the demographic that this brand is making outfits for, AKA femme people. Got it? Got it. Let's have a fashion show. First, let's look at these cute bags that the outfits come in. Adorably packaged. So let's unpack the first one. Oh my gosh, it's a kitty. And the tail comes individually packaged with a little bell. Oh, and there's a button in the back to put on the tail. Let's try it on. This is so cute, especially if you are someone who wants to get in the Halloween spirit without a lot of effort. It's a very classic choice. I think this looks cute just styled with a simple pair of jeans, but I also got inspired to style this cat leotard in some other styles. First with these buckle pants to make a goth or emo style. I love that because these pants aren't as high-rise, you can see more of the leotard in the back. I think that style is so cute. I did forget to put the tail on here, but I tried another style, more dark academia, where I remembered the tail. I thought the shoulder cutouts and unzipped front would work well with a white button-up, and I was right. Plus the argyle skirt and white boots. I would honestly wear any of these outfits to a casual Halloween night out. And without the tail, I'd wear these any other night just because I think they're cute. This looks like a devil's costume, and I truly love that all the little accessories come individually wrapped. Oh my God, yes. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The cosplayer in me is very, very excited. Ooh, so many little accessories. Okay, I was hoping there was a headband in here. A tail. I'm not gonna uncoil it right now. Oh, I guess these are other ear options. Or do they both go on? Oh my gosh, the wings. Wow. The material feels so durable as well. These look like little wrist cuffs. Do you see how much you get with this? This is so cool. This is a little necktie. So cute. Oh my gosh, there's still more. For arms or for legs? I think for arms. I'm running out of space. Yes, because these are for legs. And finally, the actual outfit. I am so excited to try this on. And the bottoms. I wanted to give a more covered up version of this outfit in a way that you could still see most of the pieces. I would probably wear this outfit without all the layering, specifically if I was going to an LGBT space on Halloween. With all the accessories, the knee highs, the arm warmers, it doesn't feel that revealing. But if I was going anywhere else or it was cold, the black mesh leggings and wrap skirt work really well with this outfit, and I kind of feel like I look like a superhero. Ooh, another sweater. Ooh, this looks like a dress. And it appears, ooh, I was gonna say it appears to be one piece, but there's also these arm warmers. Cute. Oh, and there's a big heart cutout in the front. This material is so soft. So I didn't have anything in my closet to make this happen, but how cute would it be to incorporate this dress into a Queen of Hearts outfit? The heart cutout in the front is so perfect. Let me know in the comments if that is something you would want to see. Since I didn't have any other Queen of Hearts outfit pieces, I paired this with jeans. This would be such a cute dinner outfit. I also tried an option where I swapped out the pants for a black pleather skirt that I upcycled. I wanted to see it with another clothing item that also had high slits, just not as high, and I really like how these fabrics look together. I also think I could take some of the accessories from the next outfit and make this dress a succubus costume. Ooh, purple. Oh my gosh. This one looks revealing. I will be layering stuff under this, but trust it will be very, very cute. This color is everything. And look at the shine on it. These are really well made. The cute little heart detail again. Truly a cosplayer's fantasy. Oh, the purple color again. So pretty. For your arms, for your legs, a headband for the ears, another tail, and another pair of wings. You know I'm going to wear these all the time. These are great. Wow. This costume is so beautiful, but definitely needed layers, so I took an oversized sheer shirt and tight pencil skirt. If the devil outfit was giving superhero, this is giving villain, or maybe they are both giving villain. Also, picture these wings, horns, and tail with the last dress. That would be a very cute succubus option. I'm surprised by how much I like this, and I need to find a place to wear it. Another animal, could it be a bunny? Oh, and this one actually, like the cat tail, came attached but can detach from the back. Oh my God, this and the little cat outfit, I'm going to wear so much. They are so cute. I love that they all have really pretty zippers too. The cat one had a little paw print, and I've seen this heart one a few times. Just like the first cat leotard, the material is really soft. This is so cozy. Different from the cat leotard, it doesn't have the shoulder cutouts. Another outfit cute with just jeans. I also tried it with a pair of ripped jeans, which I thought was really cute. Then I had this black skater skirt, which I think is my preference for all the outfits I tried with this bunny leotard. Another bunny. Such a pretty color. Ooh, this is gonna look good with my hair. And some bunny ears and some wrist cuffs. Another bunny. Like the devil and succubus, this is that pleather material. So I thought I'd try it with pleather shorts. I had a tighter pair of these that were in the wash that I think would have looked a little better and amped up this showgirl style bodysuit. So I'll have to try that another time. I also wanted to try a more covered up version. And since the top of the leotard is so strappy, the black bralette blended in very nicely. But I have to say, wearing my sheer long sleeved shirt and pleather upcycled skirt was my preference for this outfit. It makes it look a little more sophisticated. That was such a fun try on. I feel like I made so many cute outfits. I would say my favorites were the dark academia cat, the succubus, and then the heart cutout dress with the pleather skirt. And I would say those are my top recommendations for everything I tried on in this video. I also loved so many of the accessories, like the horns, the tail, the little wrist cuffs. I want to find ways to incorporate them into some of my other cosplays. So if you want to order anything from KoruraClub, you can shop directly from the official website at KoruraClub.com or on Amazon. Don't forget to use my exclusive discount code Leah20 to get 20% off your order. And look at the size chart before ordering, because I found these sizes ran a little small. I got mediums and probably could have gotten larges, especially in the pleather outfits. And order soon if you want to get them for Halloween. Speaking of which, what do you think I should be for Halloween this year? Make sure you subscribe if you want to follow along with all of my Halloween content. It's a very exciting time of year for a cosplayer and horror movie actor, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.
얼어붙어 like whoa 띵하고 어지러워 I see 한여름에 스며드는 겨울 Yeah, KoruraClub Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children